Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Energy Saver for 2 heat convectors, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here, the energy saver circuit for 2 heat convectors is demonstrated. This circuit can avoid excessive consumption of electricity from room heaters when not required. The components we will require here are 7812 voltage regulator, CD4060 oscillator, BC547 NPN transistor, bridge rectifier, rectifier diode and LED. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.